Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow popcorn. First, ensure you have about 10 cups of freshly popped popcorn ready. It's important to remove any unpopped kernels to avoid crunchy surprises. Next, gather your key ingredients: 4 tablespoons of butter and 5 cups of mini marshmallows. You'll also need a large mixing bowl and a sturdy saucepan for the next steps. Now, let's create that delicious marshmallow glaze. In your saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over low heat. Once the butter is fully melted, add the 5 cups of mini marshmallows. Stir constantly to prevent sticking and burning. Continue stirring until the marshmallows are completely smooth and combined with the butter, forming a gooey, sweet mixture. With your marshmallow glaze ready, it's time to combine it with the popcorn. Carefully pour the warm, melted marshmallow mixture over the 10 cups of popped popcorn in your large mixing bowl. Using a heat-safe spatula, gently fold and stir the popcorn, ensuring every piece is thoroughly coated. Work quickly, as the marshmallow mixture will start to cool and become less pliable. Finally, let's get your marshmallow popcorn ready to enjoy. Spread the coated popcorn evenly onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup easier. Allow it to cool completely, which usually takes about 15 minutes. Once firm, break the popcorn into individual pieces. Now it's ready to serve and enjoy this wonderfully sweet and crunchy snack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.